connected.
Hi, my name is Lex Albrecht and I'm a Sena adventure seeker. It's so much fun to ride all different kinds of bikes, from road bikes to mountain bikes to gravel bikes. And actually, I even dabble in a little tiny bit of BMX to kind of like push my limits and hone in my skills, which transfer pretty well over to all the other disciplines, and then I can get even more out of them, which is really neat. I just got a new helmet that is gonna be awesome for BMXing, and if you do any kind of urban riding or skateboarding or commuting, maybe you have an e-bike too, you're really gonna like this. This is one of Sena's newest smart helmets in their lineup, and it's called the Rumba. It's a really neat urban smart helmet, and let's take a look at what's inside. So it comes with this protective bag. That's gonna be nice to have. It looks pretty much like any other like really cool urban BMX skate helmet. I like it. Right here, there's a really nice adjustment system that works with a dial. The Rumba features Sena's really cool communication technology that Sena developed years and years ago for the motorcycling industry, and they now have integrated it into cycling helmets like this one. On the side here, there are two buttons that control the Rumba. To turn it on, you press and hold these two little buttons.
Hello.
Now when you first get your Rumba, it will automatically start looking for your phone so that it can pair with your phone. Now to pair the Rumba, simply go into your Bluetooth settings, find the Rumba at the very bottom of the list and select it.
Your headset is paired.
See how easy that is? Now I can listen to any music that I have on my phone. Got some big... See? So the music is actually coming through. Okay, so the music is actually coming through these tiny little holes that line up pretty well with where your ears are when you have the helmet on, which is so cool. You can also take phone calls while you're wearing the Rumba, and you'll hear the other person's voice come through these holes, and this microphone right here will pick up your voice so that they can hear you too. Right back here, by the dial adjustment, there is a USB-C port, and this is what you use to charge the helmet, and it has a pretty good battery life. Now, this one is a size medium, which is just perfect for me. It's pretty true to size. Like, I always wear a medium in helmets, but the Rumba also comes in large if you have a bit of a larger head, which is fine. There, see? And with this dial here, it fits like super, super well. I think my favorite feature about the Rumba is that you can pair two helmets together. So if you're riding with a friend, that means that you guys don't have to be riding side by side. One person could be like at one end of the skate park and the other person could be doing like some jumps or riding around in the bowl at the other end, and you can still talk to each other. Or if you're out on the road, you don't necessarily have to be beside each other. One person can be ahead, one person can be behind, and you can still keep up the conversation, which is really, really cool. To pair the helmets is pretty simple actually. As soon as the helmets are on, each person just has to press and hold the volume down button until you hear intercom pairing. Then one person just taps the same button one time, and the helmets will seek each other out. So you can probably hear me talk in this helmet through this helmet, and of course vice versa. If you can't hear your friend very well, press the volume button to turn it up. And if they're getting really annoying or if they have a loud voice, you can just press the volume button down like that. And that will fix the problem. Anyways, isn't that a cool feature? I really like this. And that also gives you an idea of how you'll hear voices coming through if you have a phone call that comes in while you're riding connected to your phone.